Welcome to Modern Home Aesthetics, where style meets simplicity. Today we're diving into the timeless appeal of clean lines, the freedom of open spaces, and the drama of bold design statements. Whether you're renovating, building, or just love great design, this video will inspire your modern dream home. From architectural elements to decor details, we'll explore how modern homes strike the perfect balance between elegance and function. So, grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's reimagine home, modern style. Modern home aesthetics have evolved to reflect the changing lifestyles and preferences of contemporary society. Characterized by clean lines, open spaces, and bold statements, modern design principles prioritize functionality, simplicity, and a harmonious connection with the environment. This comprehensive exploration delves into the core elements of modern home aesthetics, highlighting how these principles manifest in architecture and interior design to create spaces that are both visually striking and highly livable. Clean lines. The essence of modern design. Clean lines are a defining feature of modern home aesthetics, emphasizing simplicity and clarity in architectural and interior elements. This approach eliminates unnecessary ornamentation, focusing instead on the purity of form and function. Architectural implementation. In architecture, clean lines are evident in the use of geometric shapes and unadorned surfaces. Modern homes often feature flat or low-pitched roofs, expansive windows, and a minimalist facade that collectively convey a sense of order and precision. The integration of materials such as steel, glass, and concrete further accentuates the sleekness of the design, creating a cohesive and contemporary appearance. Interior design. Applications. Inside the home, clean lines manifest through streamlined furniture, built-in storage solutions, and a restrained color palette. Furniture pieces are selected for their functional design and lack of superfluous detailing, contributing to an uncluttered and harmonious environment. The emphasis on clean lines extends to lighting fixtures, cabinetry, and even decorative elements, ensuring a consistent aesthetic throughout the space. Open spaces. Enhancing flow and connectivity. Open spaces are integral to modern home design, promoting a sense of freedom, flexibility, and connectivity within the living environment. This concept involves the strategic removal of barriers to create expansive, multifunctional areas that cater to various activities and social interactions. Open floor plans. Modern homes frequently employ open floor plans that merge the kitchen, dining, and living areas into a single cohesive space. This layout fosters seamless movement and communication, making it ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. The absence of interior walls allows natural light to permeate the space, enhancing the overall sense of openness and vitality. Indoor-outdoor. Integration. The integration of indoor and outdoor spaces is another hallmark of modern design. Large sliding glass doors, floor-to-ceiling windows, and outdoor living areas blur the boundaries between the interior and exterior, creating a harmonious relationship with nature. This design strategy not only expands the usable living area, but also promotes a healthier and more balanced lifestyle by encouraging interaction with the natural environment. Bold statements. Infusing personality and drama, while modern design emphasizes simplicity. It also embraces bold statements that inject personality and visual interest into the space. These elements serve as focal points, adding depth and character to the minimalist backdrop. Statement. Pieces. Incorporating statement pieces such as oversized artwork, sculptural furniture, or dramatic lighting fixtures can elevate the aesthetic appeal of a modern home. These elements provide contrast and intrigue, drawing the eye and creating a memorable impression. The key is to balance these bold features with the overall minimalist design to maintain cohesion and avoid visual clutter. Contrasting materials and textures. The use of contrasting materials and textures adds richness and complexity to modern interiors. Combining elements like polished concrete floors with warm wooden accents or pairing sleek metal finishes with soft textiles introduces tactile variety and visual dynamism. This interplay of materials enhances the sensory experience and reinforces the modern aesthetic's emphasis on balance and harmony. Material selection, merging functionality with aesthetics. Material selection plays a crucial role in achieving the desired modern aesthetic, with choices that reflect both functional requirements and stylistic preferences. Natural materials. Incorporating natural materials such as wood, stone, and leather adds warmth and authenticity to modern interiors. These elements provide a counterbalance to the sleekness of modern design, creating a more inviting and comfortable atmosphere. The use of sustainably sourced materials also aligns with the growing emphasis on environmental responsibility in contemporary design. Industrial elements. Industrial materials like exposed steel beams, concrete surfaces, and metal fixtures contribute to the modern aesthetic's raw and edgy appeal. These elements underscore the design's structural integrity and add an urban, contemporary vibe to the space. When combined thoughtfully with natural materials, they create a balanced and visually engaging environment. Color palette. Embracing neutrals with strategic accents. The color palette in modern home design typically revolves around neutral tones, providing a versatile and timeless foundation for the space. Neutral foundations, shades of white, gray, beige, and black dominate the modern color scheme, offering a clean and understated backdrop that enhances the sense of space and light. These colors facilitate the seamless integration of various materials and textures, contributing to a cohesive and harmonious design. Accent colors. While the base palette remains neutral, the strategic use of accent colors can add vibrancy and personality to the space. Bold hues introduced through artwork, textiles, or decorative accessories create focal points and inject energy into the room. The key is to use these accents sparingly to maintain the overall minimalist aesthetic. Lighting. Enhancing ambiance. And functionality lighting is a critical component of modern home aesthetics, influencing both the ambiance and functionality of the space. Natural light. Maximizing natural light is a priority in modern design. Large windows, skylights, and open layouts allow sunlight to flood the interior, creating a bright and uplifting environment. This emphasis on natural illumination not only reduces the need for artificial lighting, but also strengthens the connection between the indoor space and the external environment. Artificial lighting. Artificial lighting in modern homes is designed to complement the minimalist aesthetic while providing adequate illumination for various tasks. Recessed lighting, track lighting, and pendant fixtures are commonly used to create layers of light that enhance the room's functionality and mood. The selection of lighting fixtures often reflects the clean lines and simple forms characteristic of modern design. Sustainability. Integrating eco-friendly practices. Modern home aesthetics increasingly incorporate sustainable practices, reflecting a commitment to environmental stewardship and resource efficiency. Energy efficiency. Modern homes are designed with energy efficiency in mind, utilizing features such as high-performance insulation, energy-efficient windows, and smart home technologies to reduce energy consumption. These measures not only lower utility costs, but also minimize the home's environmental footprint. Sustainable materials. The use of sustainable and recycled materials is a growing trend in modern design. From reclaimed wood flooring to countertops, made from recycled glass, these materials offer eco-friendly alternatives that do not compromise on style or quality. Incorporating such materials supports sustainable building practices and promotes a healthier living environment.